Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Igho and this is Love Igho. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this Starfleet Spock inspired dress. I was a little torn on how to decide what exactly I wanted to do. At first I wanted to do a Spock costume, and then I later thought it would make more sense for me, just because it's cuter and I'm a girl, to make a Lieutenant Uhura type of costume. And what I ended up doing, I guess, was kind of doing a combination of both, and I'm going to be showing you how exactly I did that. So far, with what I've watched over the years, the costumes usually are either red, yellow, or blue, and because I was initially inspired by the Spock costume, I decided to just do blue instead. So that was kind of my in-between for both. For this video, you're going to need a blue dress. I got this basic skater dress off of Amazon. You're going to need that. You're also going to need a black strip. If you have a random like black strip of fabric, you can use that. But you can also use linen fabric. So I'm using this linen fabric that I've cut into a long strip that I'm going to be folding and attaching to the neck. You're also going to need some gold embroidered trim that will kind of go around the arm for the costume. I realized that I didn't have that, but I did have this gold tape that I'm going to be using instead. You're also finally going to need a Starfleet badge. This one I just ordered off of Amazon. I'll leave a link to all of these things in the description box. Then we're going to be using the regular culprits. You're going to need some scissors, some pins, and a matching thread. To start, we're going to be forming the triangular neckline that is of the Lieutenant Uhura costume. So measure 3 inches down from your nape, and then go off to the left by about 2 inches and mark that point. So from that spot, I'm drawing a triangle to the edges of the neckline, and then I'm just going to cut the line off of the edges of the neckline down to the mark spots, and that is going to give us the new off triangular shaped neckline or collar. If you look at the dress that I found on Pinterest that I'm using as an inspiration for this tutorial, you see that there are 2 darts going downwards. One is going sideways and the other one is going downwards from the marked point of the new collar. So I'm just going to make some like false seams to create that. So I'm marking 2 lines off of that point. After marking those points, now I'm just going to pin it down and sew the false seams. The next thing you want to do is to glue or sew the black strip along the outline of the collar. As you're attaching the black strip along the outline of your collar, make sure that all the points meet on that point and that there is a sharp angle there. So now that we've attached the collar, the next thing you want to do is take the Starfleet badge and attach it to the bottom of the collar, the bottom of that point across the dart line. Then you can either glue or sew on the gold trim that you have 3 inches above the edges of the sleeves. And after that, we are done with the outfit.